Do you believe in the value of feedback? Do you believe building a culture of ongoing feedback is a great way to develop, inspire, and elevate people? I'm Larry Brown. I'm a speaker at Clear Concept, and I'm passionate about helping people thrive at work. One of the programs I absolutely love facilitating is our Fearless Feedback program. Our feedback framework builds on 4 key principles. First, focus on your team's growth. Second, time it right. This includes gauging when to address specific situations. Third, foster a culture of recognition. And number 4, consistently look to strengthen trust across the team so we can better navigate challenging conversations when they come in. Too many people shy away from sharing feedback to avoid confrontation and to maintain the nice status quo. But our feedback program is grounded in removing the fear from this key development tool. We believe feedback conversations can be valued, productive, and enriching. One of my favorite concepts we share is a model to frame feedback conversations. You can use it with individuals and teams. It's the what went well, even better if model. You start by discussing what went well, which is a great opportunity to practice strengths-based feedback and create a safe space for more constructive conversations. Then you turn to even better if. This forward-looking approach highlights what they can do better next time, as opposed to what went wrong last time. This model creates space for feedback to be a two-way conversation where we work together to identify a better way forward. And what I love most is this. This approach takes the emphasis off of criticism, which otherwise tends to make feedback receivers defensive and resistant to change. Instead, we want to use the power of positive reinforcement and encouragement to create an even better outcome next time. Personally, I love to elevate the skills and confidence of motivated professionals. And to do that, I cultivate a workshop atmosphere that's inviting and engaging, and most of all, where participants feel valued and inspired to learn and to grow. I'm proud to be a speaker with Clear Concept, helping people do their best work.